Thank you. Okay, these are the rare rocks from East India. This one, special. This one, special. This one, super special. This one, medium special. This one, very special. This one is the rarest and most beautiful one of all. I think I broke a tooth. Hey, not bad. Which one should I eat next? How about this one? Yeah.